welcome to the Doghouse. My name is Kinsley, and this is my cousin Addison, and my Mima Karen is behind the camera.
This is Honey Bear, and this is Peanut. Today we are discussing the topic of the canine's backward sneeze.
Reverse sneezing in dogs can be alarming if you've never experienced it before. But luckily, it's not quite as scary as it seems.
Reverse sneezing occurs primarily in dogs and much less frequently in cats. Here's what you need to know about reverse dog sneezing and what you can do to help prevent it.
In general, when a dachshund makes a snorting or gagging sound like something is stuck in its throat, it's usually a reverse sneeze. Now, it can be alarming to witness a dog having a reverse sneezing episode, but it is not a harmful condition and there are no harmful effects. Although any size of dog can have these attacks, they are very common in smaller dogs like Dachshunds or dogs with a short face and are generally caused by an irritation to the nose, sinuses, or the back of the throat. Most of the time, irritants like pollens, grasses, and allergies are the cause of a reverse sneeze, but it can also be caused by excitement, anxiety, and pulling too hard on the leash. Because Dachshunds generally have their nose to the ground and love to dig, irritants are the most common cause of the reverse sneeze. So now, let's listen to what a reverse sneeze really sounds like. So, is there ever a time you should be concerned about this condition? The answer is yes. If your pet has nasal discharge, nasal congestion, wheezing, or prolonged episodes of the reverse sneezing, you may need to call your vet. Prolonged or constant episodes could be caused by nasal mites, tumors, masses, or foreign bodies stuck in the airway. There are 3 ways to stop reverse sneezing. The first way is to gently massage the dog's throat. Since most cases are caused by irritation in the breathing passages, a gentle massage may be all it takes. Number 2, blow small puffs of air into the dog's face. Gently blowing air into the dog's face can sometimes disrupt the cycle of repetitive inhalations. The third way is to pinch the dog's nose shut for 1 second. This simple maneuver will cause the dog to involuntarily swallow, which in turn may end the episodes. I hope this lesson on the reverse sneeze has been informative. Please scroll down, hit subscribe, like, and hit the bell for future episodes.
Thank you for joining us on the Doghouse.
Say goodbye, honey. Say goodbye, Peanut. Bye.